what we've seen is that there was tons of money being left on the table.
Hey Joe, I have a question for you. So what are some flows that you've seen, some of the ones that aren't just like your standard welcome and things like that have really brought in a revenue and showed us that we're leaving money on the table?
Yeah, absolutely. So one flow is what we call customer win back, right? So for example, with an email automation tool such as Klaviyo, which is, in my opinion, is the #1 tool out there for e-commerce. What we have there is the ability to see from a specific user level, really from a customer level, what their purchase frequency is, right? And from that, we can then see when their last purchase was and when that next purchase should occur. Now, if that purchase in fact does not occur, this will then automatically trigger an email that is gonna be sent out to this individual, incentivizing them to come back and complete the purchase. So what we've seen is that there was tons of money being left on the table because we just didn't have this data. We didn't have this insight into, especially from a specific customer level, as to how often and how frequently an individual is actually purchasing from us and when we're at risk of potentially losing them, right? So it's a very powerful tool. It also helps you calculate your customer lifetime value from a specific customer level because it does integrate directly with your e-commerce store. So it's a very powerful tool, and I would say that is the #1 flow that we've seen generate a lot of revenue that essentially we didn't know we were losing.